Hello, hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Not here. Not here. Not here. Not here. In that parking. Hello. In that parking, sir. Show me your passport, sir. Show me your passport. Okay, sir. Show me your passport, ma'am. Show me your passport.
Sorry, sir.
Kharodima. So, are you here for the event?
Sir, do you wanna participate?
Yes, ma'am.
In that parking, sir. In that
Yeah.
parking. In that parking. Come.
Park inside.
Show me your passport, sir. Show me your passport. Hello, sir. Show me your passport, please.
Wait a minute, wait a minute.
Okay, not. Okay, the Osman, sir. Just wait for the other passports. Yes, sir. Welcome, sir. Go just park your car there. Show me your passport, sir. Show me your passport.
It has no insurance. It's if someone comes here to steal it, you can stop it, guys.
Yes, yes, we'll try to protect it at our best. Oh, Atiops, nice to see you again, bro.
Nice to see you too, bro.
We just met yesterday in the boxing event.
Yeah, he got my ass so bad.
Hello. Hello, sir. Show me your passport, please. Hello, sir. Show me your passport. Okay. Bro. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Let's go. See, we'll check every car and just we gonna decide the winners. Okay. Come with me. Come with me. Come with me. Come with me, everyone. Come with me.
I just came here because I used to be a Lilith still.
Oh, nice, nice, nice. If you wanna join, just tag me in your logs.
No, sorry.
So guys, it is our first car. Yes. Let's go to the other one.
Lucky, are you interviewing them or not?
Like?
You could just ask them about the cars.
Yeah, I will be. Okay. Okay, hello Charles. Am I audible? Hello sir, hello. Hello Charles, hello. Hello. Bro, he's sleeping or something. He's sleeping, I think. Hello, okay, we'll start from here. Hello Kharodimal. Okay. Bro, what the fuck?
What?
Hello, come stand with your car. Come
Why
stand
you?
with
I
your
don't
car.
know.
Okay. Okay, ma'am, tell me about your car. How it makes like vintage car.
It's a very vintage car. You know, Andrew Tate, it is he was the first owner of this car, and now I'm the second owner. So it's a
Okay.
vintage car.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all.
Hello, Ati. Hello. Yo, Ati. Hello, sir. Yo, hello. Don't do that.
Bro,
Don't do that
what
here.
are you doing?
Don't do that here. Hello, Ati. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, tell me something about your car, your specific specs, and you know.
Oh yeah. So this car is basically a special handmade car from Corvette. Yeah, this car is cabrio as you can see, and with this function, I will be able to smell all of the air in this beautiful city.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
and as you can see,
You
with
first,
the
self-defense,
place
self-defense.
that I sit,
Stop doing
and
this. Stop doing
some
this,
of the
stop doing
things
this.
in the car is stop hitting my car.
Okay.
You're Roxy,
Some of the things in my
Someone
car
arrest
is
him. Someone cuff him.
carbon
Someone cuff
fiber
him. Someone
and
cuff him. Arrest him.
suspensions are very
Stop.
like it's
Okay, stop.
designed for comfort and luxury, you know.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. We'll come back to you.
my bad. Sorry. No, can you stop? I'll give you 5 seconds to stop. I'm detaining you. 5.
Your 5 seconds. Can you please take care of him next?
Okay.
Okay, who's the owner of that car? Who's the owner of that car? Amol. Hello, Amol. Can you please come
Amol,
and
hello.
stand alongside with your car?
Right.
Come at your
Your
car.
car and tell about your car.
Tell me about your car.
Juice Belado.
Specs and all, you know. Some features of your car.
Oh,
Sambika.
Arrest him.
Take him.
please.
Yeah.
Belado.
Sir, what are you doing, sir? Come here, come here. I'm gonna be grabbing you by the arm.
Okay, tell me about your car,
Arrested right
Amol.
now for vandalism, attempted murder, manslaughter,
Okay, now tell me about your car.
and also for
Leave my boy.
I'm not visually clear what you're
Hello.
free. Not going free, but
Yeah, I can listen to you now. Tell me
Bring my
about
boy.
something your car, you know.
do not, please do not,
Features and all.
Yeah, I am in this time middle pass.
No, that's no time. Just you know, tell me about some features of your car. Like,
This is a unique for the server. The only
Abhi.
one I think.
okay.
Sorry, Amol, but I gave.
I see.
Okay. We'll get back to you. Okay, who's the owner of this car? Who's the owner of this car?
He got arrested.
Oh, hell no. Okay, Osman sir, how are you? Can you please
I'm
tell
fine,
us?
how are you?
Can you please tell us something about your car?
This is a Mercedes Rocket Special Edition. Is you don't see a lot in the city. 800 horsepower. Top speed is 380. And I put special rims on it.
Labs. Vote my
Yeah,
car.
you got it.
And rotate one.
Nice.
Bugatti, okay?
Okay, Charles, can you please come at your car? Come with us. Can you please tell me something about
You
your
are
car?
famous.
That car is a Grotti Roma, which is a car that you rarely see in city. Probably the first one you saw.
Vote my car over there.
It's just an hypercar, normal. Nothing crazy about it. It's just a little bit neon and all the, you know, the fun little stuff.
Yes.
It's a little bit slippery though. It's not really the best car, but I mean it's fine.
Okay.
Fuck your car.
We'll get
Fuck
back
your
to
car.
you.
Oh.
Okay,
my
Nabs,
God.
come. Lexi,
Oh no, sorry.
Lexi, come with me. Zoro, come
You
with
want
me.
to die?
Can I?
Okay, Nabs, like, which one should be the first, highly vintage car according to you guys?
It's a luxury car. Yes.
No, that's a vintage.
Oh, it's vintage.
So there is a
Yes,
two
yes.
vintage car.
I mean, there's
Or like,
I mean,
can you check your
this
left?
one. Great for vintage.
Which one? That white one? Second one?
Corvette, yes.
Yes. That will be the first, and the second one. I think that will be the second one. That Roma, because that's a rare vintage car. I think.
Yeah.
Wait, I'll check.
Okay, just go and check. That will be.
Units at DOC, check your left.
better than the Bugatti.
Or we can give that one. The which
Leave
yo,
my boy, leave him.
that one like that sports car right there. You know in the
Why are you escorting me?
Leave him. Leave him.
what
Leave him.
Up to you.
Bugatti?
Yeah, I mean, Bugatti looks more vintage than that car.
No, I'm talking about that the third one. I'm talking about the third one. The middle one.
Black with the red lights.
Yes. That's what I mean.
Any HQ at the moment?
Should we consider him?
I think Bugatti.
Okay, Bugatti will decide. Okay, come. Okay, guys, come. So,
Hey,
hello, Ati. Your car won the first prize as you got the most vintage.
Oh,
Thank you.
Chill out.
And okay, who's the car owner? Bugatti. Yo, who's Bugatti? Okay.
it's me. It's me.
Okay,
I
you
love
won the
it.
second prize of the vintage car. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
so
You
it's
guys
original Andrew Tate's car.
just show me your passport again. You both of you.
Let's go.
Ron, come here.
I can give you.
Wait,
Yeah,
just
I
give me
can
a
give you
second.
the.
Just give me a
RC.
second, bro. Just give me a second.
Yeah, if you want the RC, there's like the first owner is Andrew Tate.
Nice. Okay, sir. Ati, here's your money.
Thank you.
Where's my
And
money?
I'm giving you, man. Please wait. Okay, here's your money.
Let's go.
Where's see you
Only
soon.
100k? What the fuck?
Yeah, that's the prize pool was 300k.
Okay.
First one was 200k. Oh, guys, see you
Okay,
soon.
okay, my bad.
See you guys. Better luck next time.
Bro, it's future car, not.
That's a
not
futuristic, bro. That's
fucking
not a vintage car. You know? Okay.
Why
PR team,
vintage?
come with me.
He has
You must
illegal
arrest the other
weapons
guy.
on-
You must
listen,
arrest the
I
other
just
guy.
told you had
He-
illegal.
He,
The other.
he killed
I
me 2
already
times.
tried to, and he knocked
You
me
are
down.
corrupt.
He got his friend to. Oh,
you are corrupt.
okay.
You are a corrupt cop.
You can believe that. I
You're
don't
a
mind
corrupt
if you
cop.
believe that. I don't
Arrest
mind
me
if you
too.
believe that.
You are a corrupt cop. Hey, fuck this game, man. Hey, why this took that guy? Hey, that's corrupt. Look at him.
Wait, just give
Why
me
is
a
nobody doing nothing?
I'm sorry, sir.
Bro, he just killed.
Bro, what the fuck?
I didn't do nothing. I'm in cuffs, sir. I'm in cuffs.
Oh my god, sorry. Sorry. My bad.
But do you want to get arrested as well? Reckless driving.
No. I fucked up, sorry.
Better not.
My brakes just failed. I don't want to ram and